everybody, what's up? Thank you so much for watching the channel, and it's another video. So today I'm going to be answering your questions, and I know this was a much awaited video of 2020, and I also wanted to do it for a long time, but I didn't do it because I thought like I won't get enough questions to do it. So yeah, I'm going to do a Q&A video today. And before we get started, I also want to mention that my summer vacation has started. I don't know, nobody asked it, but like I still wanted to mention it. So yeah, my summer holidays have started, and actually this is the best part of the year. So just wasting your time. Okay, let's get started. So the first question is, who is your inspiration? My inspiration would be like if you're talking about YouTube, then it would be mostly Faith, and if you're talking about life, then it would be my mom, because I've seen her, and every time she has a problem, she just smiles and just suffers it and kind of like faces it without any um, without any pain. Like she'll just happily suffer it and face it and go through it. I remember when her hand broke, she was also smiling. Like her hand broke and still she was smiling. I don't know how she does it, but like yeah, she's my inspiration. And second, your best childhood memory. Childhood memory, yes, मैं बड़ी नहीं हुई उतनी भी, but I'm still a kid. But like if you're talking about like as a kid, then I think the best memory would be okay. So we used to, like, all of my cousins. Whenever I used to go to my like when I used to come to my nana's house, I used to, like, all of my cousins and me, we would like we would go outside and we would like all take a bath there, like in the open, and it used to be so much fun because we would splash each other, and that's the best part of my summer vacations. So every time I used to come here, I used to just kind of like, we all used to bath outside, and that was like the funniest part, and we used to splash each other. So yeah. Okay, next, third, favorite YouTuber, mostly same, no questions. Fourth, goal. What's my goal in life? My goal in life, actually, like if you're talking about profession, then I want to be an IAS officer. And my ultimate goal in life is just to be happy. Like I want to live a happy, simple life where I have no problems and I have enough money so that I can buy whatever I want and I can go wherever I want. So yeah. Number 5. Did you ever meet Pragati Verma? No, I have never met her, but like I hope to meet her because she also lives in Gorakhpur and I also live in Gorakhpur. So I hope that we meet someday. And yeah. 6. Have you ever did something for what you could be scolded if you were caught? Actually, I'm a very teacher's pet and I don't do these things, like, to be very honest. But if something mischievous would be, then actually I stole chalks. Like I'll steal chalks from my class teacher. Like she used to have this box and where she kept chalks, and I would steal chalks from that, and I would literally get scolded. But like she never caught me. Even if she did, she didn't mention it. So I don't know if she ever caught me. But like that's why I don't do it now, but I used to do it before. And yeah. Number 7. What's your dream vacation? My dream vacation, it would be somewhere in the tropical area, like beaches. I love beaches. So in a tropical destination, like for example, say Goa or something, I would just have like, I would go to the beach and I would like go to the beach every day, like for how many days I'm on the vacation. I would go to beach every day. So I think that that's the dream vacation. If that fits. Sorry. Number 8 and the last one. What's your dream destination? My dream destination is, of course, Paris, and I want to meet. I want to visit Paris once in my life. So that's it for today's video. And also, I also wanted to ask you guys a question. I wanted to kind of fix a date or like a day in the week where I'm going to post videos, like confirm on that day, so that you don't have any confusions in like if my videos been uploaded or not. So please tell me in the comment section which day should I fix for my YouTube videos. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll meet you next video. Until then, goodbye. And yeah, before I go, I wanted to make a request. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, then make sure to press the big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below what was, if I have missed your question, and what's your question if you want me to do a part 2 of this Q&A video. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and goodbye.